Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake homemade, only way. Whisk 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Beat in 2 eggs and 5 cups milk until smooth and slightly thin. Transfer batter to a squeeze bottle or funnel and swirl into 350 degrees F oil in a circular motion. Fry each cake until golden, drain on paper towel, and dust with powdered sugar before serving. I explain simple tips to keep your funnel cake light and crisp. Use room temperature eggs and milk so the batter mixes evenly and traps air. If batter is too thick, add a tablespoon of milk at a time until it pours through your squeeze bottle easily. Let the batter rest for about 10 minutes to relax gluten and minimize bubbles, which gives you a tender interior and crisp exterior. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and upbeat music while you cook. It makes multitasking in the kitchen easier and more fun. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if that sounds good, now let's get back to the video. I walk you through frying and finishing so your funnel cake looks and tastes great. Keep the oil at 350 degrees F to cook through without overbrowning the outside. Pipe batter in a circular, lacy pattern and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden, turning if necessary for even color. Drain on paper towels, then dust with powdered sugar and add toppings like berries or chocolate for a carnival feel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.